Hello friends! I'm excited to see you back on my channel.
They say that I'm on the road. Maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking toll. Find me out here on my own.
My name is Zafir, and if you're still watching my videos but haven't joined our team yet, it's time to change that. Here in our team you get it all: proven signals, effective strategies, professional support, and access to cutting-edge trading tools. We'll all talk about all these perks later, but the most important thing is to take the first step today. Join our team and start earning real money. The link is in the description. Today I'll show you how to use a strategy based on the alligator indicator to turn $25 into something much bigger. Let's break down each trade and see how it works in practice. Settings: starting amount $25, time frame 1 minute, expiration time 3 minutes, indicator alligator, GBP USD. The chart immediately highlights an interesting situation. The price is nearing a historical high, but volumes are starting to decline. This is a clear signal that the market is losing momentum. The alligator confirms it. The indicator's jaws are converging, signaling a potential reversal. I'm investing $25 in a downward trade. Why? In such moments, it's crucial not just to watch the chart, but to sense the market sentiment. Sellers are gaining control and buyers are weakening. All this builds confidence that the trend will reverse. Tired of guessing where the market will go? My OTC Robot is your perfect assistant. It works for you, analyzing the market 24/7 and finding the most accurate signals. Just connect and enjoy the result. The link is in the description. Don't miss your chance. And here's the result. The price started to decline, just as predicted. Bearish candles grew longer and volumes confirmed the reversal. The trade closed with a profit $48. It's a great when analysis works perfectly. EUR USD. This pair presents another interesting scenario. The price hit a resistance level and is slowing down. The alligator paints a clear picture. The indicator lines are narrowing and the candles are forming bearish pattern. I'm investing $48 in a downward trade. Resistance levels are like a glass ceiling for the price. It knocks on them but can break through. Combine this with decreasing volumes and we have an ideal entry point. Imagine earning money while sitting at home with a cup of coffee. The OTC Robot does all the work for you. It analyzes the market, provides signals, and even allows you to trade on weekends. All you need to do is click a few buttons. Try it for yourself. The link is in the description. As expected, the price dropped. This movement was supported by all we analyzed: the resistance level, alligator signal, and declining volumes. The trade ended with a profit $92 and $16, another step closer to the goal. AUD CAD. The chart here shows something interesting. After a long consolidation, the market is gearing up for a breakout. The alligator indicator particularly points to the opportunity. The lines are diverging and the candles are moving confidently upward. I'm investing $92 in an upward trade. In situations like this, the key is to recognize when the market is about to take off. Strong candle movement and a lack of resistance suggest the price will continue rising. Want to earn without extra effort? Try copy trading. Just connect and my trades are automatically copied to your account. All you need to do is watch the results. Why complicate things? Click the link and see for yourself. As predicted, the price confidently continued upward. The breakout happened and the candles surged higher. The trade closed with a profit $176. This is what it means to see the market clearly. GBP USD. The chart clearly shows an upward trend. The alligator confirms this. Its jaws are widening, signaling steady growth. Moreover, increasing volumes indicate high buyer activity. I'm investing $176 in an upward trade. In moments like this, acting quickly is crucial to keep up with the market. Confidence also comes from the indicator signal for a trend continuation. Imagine having the ability to copy a professional trade's moves. Copy trading makes this a reality. Analyze the market, find the best entry points, and you simply connect and see the results. The link is in the description. Don't wait. The price continued moving upward as predicted. The trade closed with a profit $338, a fantastic result that highlights the importance of thorough analysis. Opening the trade 5. EUR USD. On this pair, a trend reversal is underway. The price is starting to decline after reaching a historical high. The alligator confirms the downward movement, and the bearish candles are growing longer. I'm investing $338 in a downward trade. It's crucial to catch the moment when the market is just starting to reverse to enter the trade before the main movement begins. Friend, you're looking for an easier way to trade. My VIP channel is exactly what you need. You'll get access to top signals, proven strategies, and professional support. It's like having a personal trading mentor. The link is in the description. Join now. My prediction was spot on. The price continued to decline, showing strong downward movement. The trade closed with a profit $649. A perfect end to the session. That's it, friends! This trading session proved once again that the right approach, proven strategies, and tools like the alligator indicator can deliver consistent results. If you want to trade with the same confidence and profitability, join our community. Here you'll find the best signals, support, and answers to any questions. Everything is ready for your success. Just take the first step.